Hello everyone. Today we are gonna unboxing SUJA Global Dehumidifier 35L. This is so heavy and so small product. You can use it at home, industry, buying house, where actually you want to control your moisture. This product power supply 220 to 240 volt, power input 190 watt, weight 8 kg, overall weight. You can moisture removal 35 liters a day. Gas use R290. Discharge 0.2.5 MPa. This is the water tank capacity 2.4 liter. Applicable temperature 5 Celsius to 35 Celsius. Turn it on now. You can set the temperature you want here. SUJA Global Dehumidifier 35L. One issue when operating the dehumidifier: please do not set the humidity higher than ambient humidity. This is the warning message. We have this radio stock now. You can call us and visit our website to more detail and information. This product comes from Singapore. This is the output air. Here you can see the output air and input air. This is a portable machine. Comes with 4 wheels. SUJA Global brand. There is service code and some specification. If you need to check our website for better knowing. So PD. Here is the timer, speed controller, on off, and a LED display. 45, I can say 45, and its operation light is blinking. Very low noise. Touch screen option. Just touch the button and it's turn it on. This is the fan option and timer and humidity settings. It comes with 1 year free service warranty. Water tank removal is so easy and so easy to install. When you pull up, it shows the red button.